is going to be on how I tone or how I fix my orange bleached hair. This room is, I'm actually probably going to start filming in here more. It's actually my very first room in this house, and now I hope there's no echo, but there's not much here, so I decided I would film because there's actually some great natural lighting. If you haven't seen my hair transformation, I will link it down below. I first want to say a huge thank you because I honestly thought I was gonna get a lot of negative comments on that video. I don't know why, but 99.9% of the comments were extremely positive. So I want to say a huge thank you on even comments on my pictures on my other videos. I want to say a big thank you because everybody was so nice. It's actually been a little over a month since I did my hair, so this is what it looks like. Actually, it looks pretty good now. I'm using natural lighting, so this is, you know, pretty much the color. I actually really like it. So what happened, if you watch my video, I actually use a permanent color cream on top of my bleached hair, which was a mistake. I was really mad because I was like, I hate the color, and now it's permanent, so it's gonna be super hard to get rid of it. I'm just gonna have to bleach even more. But my mom has blonde hair, and she tried to go darker in the past, and she said that color just wouldn't stay on her bleached hair. So that sounds so bleached hair, but color doesn't stay too well on hair that has been bleached before. So I was like, okay, I'll trust you. So the color that I use is actually fading the more I wash my hair, so I'm really happy about that. So yeah, it's been about a month, a little over a month, and 2 weeks ago I started using the Matrix Total Results Brass Offline. So this is the conditioner, shampoo, and this is the treatment. Now 2 weeks ago when I used this for the first time, I did a video, so I will show you that little process after. But after using it for the first time, I did use it again, and yeah, so I guess I'll show you my first experience with this product right now. So I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like before I wash it with the blue shampoo. So this is it. It's definitely has a lot of orange, especially at the top. I'm gonna use the shampoo in the shower. It looks it actually looks a little purple, but you know, a blue violet. Okay, so I'm now out of the shower, so this is what my hair looks like. So from what I can see, here the shampoo worked pretty well. It's just at the top you can definitely see my hair is still kind of orangey looking. Now I have these nails on right now, and there's some rhinestones, so I was very gentle when I was washing my hair because my hair is really fragile right now, so I didn't want to damage my hair with my nails. So there's that. But I did let the shampoo in my hair while I was washing my body and everything, so it maybe sat in my hair for 10 minutes, maybe a little less, but yeah. So I mean, I definitely think it worked on the ends before here, you know. Also, this is newer hair. This step I would definitely encourage you to wear a no t-shirt. This is just a t-shirt that is already stained with dye, and I would also recommend wearing gloves. So it actually says shampoo, rinse, wearing suitable gloves, apply to wet hair, avoid scalp area, do not rinse. Processing time is 5 to 10 minutes depending on, you know, what you want to do. So I'm going to use this. I don't know how much I need, but it's definitely blue. It says to apply it says to avoid scalp area, but I really want to saturate the roots because this is where I have, ooh, my head. This is where I have a lot of orange tones. might be a little better to apply on hair that is more wet, so it's easier to like spread everywhere, because I feel like now maybe my hair is like a little too dry. So it's definitely messy. So here.
First name prices that pussy on a need to know. I don't fuck with condoms, but a nigga still need them. Crack himself, popping pills.
So when I was rinsing out, I was like, oh my god, my hair is gray. It didn't work as well at the top, but at the bottom, like it worked really well. I'm just gonna use a conditioner because I want to let it sit in my hair for like a while. This treatment that I just used, I believe it is also supposed to be like nourishing and stuff. So here's the color. It's definitely like blue. Yeah, it's just like a conditioner. It's not a leave-in. And yes, I'm applying it directly on my roots. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my hair up. I'm gonna leave this on for at least 30 minutes. I don't know. I'm hungry, so I ordered some pizza earlier, so I think I'm gonna go eat that. I had a piece already, but now I'm hungry again, so. And I'm happy with the result. It's definitely toned down. As you can see, like my roots already started growing in. So yeah, and I kind of like that, you know, since my color is fading, the lighter parts that I had are like showing, you know, and they're getting toned as I use the shampoo. The next day my hair actually felt amazing. Like it felt so soft and like silky and hydrated. This little treatment is actually very hydrating for the hair. I know lots of people don't like to use blue or like purple shampoo too often because they say it actually dries out the hair a little bit, but I haven't. I mean, my hair is not like in the healthiest state. It's definitely getting a lot better, which I'll have a video on how I'm kind of fixing my damaged hair. But this I don't feel like is drying for my hair. I would definitely recommend this line if other blue purple shampoos you've tried are too drying for you. The blue shampoo, purple shampoo, whatever, to me it's more like a purple shampoo, I would say. My dad has the L'Oreal Silver something shampoo from L'Oreal Professional, and I compared them, pretty much the same color. So if you have blonde hair, I would say you can use this shampoo. It's more of a bluish violet, you know, shampoo. So I think it would work on blonde hair. But this though, the mask, this is blue, straight up blue. So if you have blonde hair, like light blonde hair, I would say be careful with this because it's definitely blue. So if you don't really have any orange in your hair, you know, this is blue. So this works very well at counteracting at toning the orange hair, the orange parts that I have in my hair. Of course my hair is still warm, but it's not as orange looking anymore, which I'm really happy about. And actually what's happening, as I said in the beginning, my hair is like fading, you know, the color, sorry, the color that I put on my hair is actually fading now. So as I'm like washing my hair with this, it's actually almost like toning the lighter parts I had in my hair, and it's making my hair look lighter. It looks like I have more highlights. So I actually like really like the way this is all turning out. So what I've been doing for the past 2 weeks, I don't use the shampoo every time I wash my hair. I wash my hair like twice a week. So I alternate. I also use a Kerastase shampoo. It's a nutritive. I will make a whole video about this line because I really enjoy it, so I'll link it down below. But I alternate my shampoos. So I've used the Brassy shampoo twice, I think, in the past 2 weeks. But then what I've been doing and what I really like is I take a little bit of the treatment in my shower. Actually, I was afraid this was gonna stain my shower, but it really doesn't. And our shower is completely white. I actually put a little bit in this moisture, in this conditioner. This is the Brassy. This has a very light, like baby blue color. I don't think this does too much. I like toning the hair because it's such a light color. Maybe it does a little bit, I don't know, but I do really like this conditioner. It's super hydrating. So yeah, I just mix a little bit of this in my conditioner. You could mix this in with any of your your conditioners. I think it would work really well. I just leave this in my hair for a few minutes and it does the job. If you're just wanting something to use once in a while, you know, maybe mixed in with your conditioner or just as a treatment, I would really recommend this. It really works. This is kind of how I fix like my orange hair. Pretty easy. Matrix did send me this, but it is not sponsored or anything. It's just they sent me like PR. So, but yeah, you can buy this on Amazon. Oh, also, this is actually meant, you can also use this if you have brown hair. So I remember a couple years ago, I used to dye my hair brown because I have a lot of gray hair. So that's why I started dyeing my hair originally a couple years ago. I was dyeing my hair like a chocolate brown, but my hair is naturally pulls a lot more warm. And so with the warm chocolate color, and it was also like kind of a medium brown, it was like a level 6 brown, it looked so copper, or I really didn't like it. So if you have brown hair that pulls very orange, you could also use this. I think this mask would work amazing on brown hair that pulls very warm or like coppery. Okay, I don't remember what I was saying. I just applied some lip gloss. I should have done that in the beginning, but this is Striptease by NARS. This is my hair now. This is what it looks like. I'm actually really happy with it. It's also, I think, my first time I'm showing you my hair curled in a video. I think curled, it looks so much better. But yeah, this is it. So if you have like a medium dark blonde hair, I think this could work on you. Or if you have brown hair, it could also work. That is going to be pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will reply to everybody. I will also list the Matrix Brass off on Amazon, CA, and US. Recently, that's what I've been doing. So if you live in the US, you can click the links. If you live in Canada, there's also some links for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Again, thank you so much for all the sweet and positive comments I've been getting on my videos and just my pictures and everything. All my social media links will be listed down below. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will definitely be doing a lot more hair videos. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you very soon in a new video. Bye!